Welcome to our Introduction to Power Query tutorial. In this interactive series of quick videos, we'll walk you through how to get started with Power Query and take your data transformation skills to the next level. To get started, we'll download some data from a website. This step will just show you how to get data from various sources, so we won't be doing any transformations yet. First, open the Introduction to Power Query workbook. When you're done, copy the URL on the Import Data from Web worksheet. You can see that it's going to take us to a Wikipedia page for the FIFA World Cup standings. Next, go to Data, Get and Transform from Web. Use Ctrl-V to paste the URL into the URL text box, then press OK. In the Navigator pane, under Display Options, select the Results table. Power Query will preview it for you in the Table View pane on the right. Press Load, and Power Query will transform the data and load it into Excel as a table. Double-click the Sheet tab name and rename it World Cup Results. In the future, should you need to refresh the table to get updates to this World Cup data, you'd select the table, then click Query Refresh. We'll continue the tutorial in this workbook, so go ahead and start the next video and we'll pick up by importing some table data from Excel into Power Query.
Businesses running Microsoft 365 can use their own data types in Excel. This data comes from your org's Power BI app. In Excel, you can see what's available by selecting Data, Data Types. Select the arrow to preview. Tap More from your organization to see all types. Let's add a list of our suppliers. It's good to format now by selecting Home, Format as Table. Then select Data, Suppliers. Select the icon to see a card of data. Select the first column, and the Insert Data icon appears, showing the data you can add, like contact name. Then add more, and format to get your data looking just right. And because data types are linked to live data, you can instantly update by selecting Data, Refresh All.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts